is practically a red carpet monsoon. This year, we are dry for now. We're expecting temperatures above 17 degrees with a 60% chance of rain, with trending to 100% chance of publicists carrying umbrellas. There is a possibility of some runny mascara and maybe even some frizzy hair and soggy gowns, but the good news is nothing can stop the party circuit. I always get excited about the Oscars. Yeah, it's the worst show on the planet.
The disco balls are hung, the tables are set, and with a past guest list that includes stars like Miley Cyrus, Michael Bublé, and Britney Spears, the Elton John AIDS Foundation Oscar party is the place to be.
We want to get the message out into the world that HIV and AIDS are something that people need to be aware of.
Well, this doesn't look like much right now, but in 2 days, this entire pit is going to be filled with journalists and photographers from around the world. Now, check this out. Right here, this is E-Talk's exclusive red carpet position number 2. Over here at number 3, our good friend Ryan Seacrest from E! It is going to be a very